If you have an Apple TV and live outside the USA, you might have noticed that apps like Netflix or Spotify have geo restrictions, meaning you only have access to certain titles or tracks. There's international fans who are big on Apple products, but then they're relegated to restrictions because of copyrights and such. I mean, come on, figure it out already. In this video, we'll show you how to set up Smart DNS Proxy on your Apple TV and circumvent those geo restrictions to enjoy all of the internet. Now, if you haven't already, go to smartdnsproxy.com and create a free trial account. You basically just have to enter your email address and name and all that jazz, with no credit card being required as well. Now in this case, I already have a Smart DNS Proxy account, so I'll just show you how to set it up. From the main menu of your Apple TV, click on the settings icon, and then click on network. Click on Wi-Fi at the top, and then click on your network and configure your DNS. Click on manual and enter your DNS server IPs. Enter the IP address that you can see on the screen just now. Or you can find the complete list by clicking on the link in the description below or the YouTube cards. It's better to use the DNS server IP closest to your physical location as your DNS server. And then click done, and that's it. You've successfully configured Smart DNS Proxy on your Apple TV. Since there's no built-in browser on Apple TV, you'd need to use your computer or mobile phone for the next step. From your computer browser, you need to activate your IP address in Smart DNS Proxy database. You can do that by logging into your Smart DNS Proxy account from your computer. And that's pretty much it. Now, if you go back to your Apple TV, you can see that you can stream all of the block content on Netflix, Hulu, Pandora, Amazon Prime Video, and Spotify and such. We'll be doing more videos on Apple TV, so click here to watch those. If you've got any questions or suggestions, let us know in the comment section below. As always, don't forget to subscribe. I'm Famzy on Smart DNS Proxy, and thanks for watching.